We've got air conditioning. Oh, am I ever happy. All he had to do was charge the system. There's no leaks, and I'm a happy camper. I feel that nice cool air. It's 75 Fahrenheit out right now, and this is a black car. It's cooling down nicely. I'm on my way right now to go pick up my buddy Jeffrey. We're gonna go out to the Yacht Club and put the dock in its final position. We're also going to go and pick up a set of stairs from somebody I found on Kijiji that has a set of stairs they want to get rid of. So that's perfect for me. I need a set of stairs for my bottom stairs at the Yacht Club, and that'll work out really well. Just waiting on Jeffrey. I don't know where he is. We're at the meeting spot. He ain't here. There.
It's right there. But I didn't check my phone. I had my music on. I was reading.
So we've got to pop by the shop and grab the trailer. And
You're...
Yep.
Okay.
Well, you know what? We might take the boat out there tonight.
Yeah, but what are you... You're getting the trailer, so...
Yeah.
Make 2 trips?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want a coffee?
Yeah, I'd love to have one, Marty.
Okay, let's get going. We got the trailer.
Coffee, 4 wheels, gasoline.
We got gas.
Got a boat ready to go.
That's not working. That's not working. That's gonna have to work. I'm putting the dock in. There's the dock.
Your phone's here, Marty.
Yeah, watch my phone.
Well, how can I see?
Okay, we just have to set this bottom piece up so it doesn't wobble. Look at that.
Oh, Marty, your phone just... I didn't touch it. It's all right. I think it jolted when you put the pipe.
Okay. You getting the shot? Oh.
Yeah, watch it.
See, the most important thing's the shot, not safety. It's the shot.
Shot? What do you mean by that?
You know, the video.
Oh.
You want to get this one, too?
Yeah, dude.
Or here, I got it.
No, I got it.
You sure?
This is a longer one, eh?
Yeah. Good work, Jeff. You got them almost straight, too. That's great. I had them like this last year. Okay, let's pound some in.
Didn't get an email yet?
Not yet.
I don't trust myself yet. Someday it will. Not right now. Where should I be so I don't tip? Just get off. I'll get off completely.
Right here. No. Come on, just hold the ladder on.
Well, shit, Marty.
Bedrock or something? Probably a big stone. It's all gravel. See all that stuff there? Nah.
I'm pulling this way towards me.
Hear this up the hill? That's how I put my dock in.
Marty, that's the second one's the same as the first. It's called Express.
And we're just leaving the yacht club. We're gonna go pick up that set of stairs.
Familiar?
Yeah.
Somewhere down the road.
Stairs. Trailer.
Free?
Free stairs.
Oh,
That's my new stairs. Just gonna set them down here until we can install them. The dock's in. There's Chris's dock. There's, I can't remember his name's dock, but docks are in. Look, there's a boat. Look, we made it. My siren is the only one I've seen with the drain holes. Two of them there. Kate doesn't have them. Keep going. Got some water in it from the winter. I'm gonna have to power wash this yet, so I'll put the mast up and power wash it tomorrow, Friday, sometime soon. I just dropped Jeffrey off, and I'm heading to the grocery store and then home. And I'm glad all that's done. It's good to get the boat to the yacht club. It needs a good wash, and I have to hook up the keel. I don't know how I'm going to do that yet. I think I'm going to use the lift that I'm not supposed to use. It's either that or use a tree, which is safer. I think I'll use the lift. I have a come along that's good for 2,000 pounds, so I will use it instead of the lift mechanism. I also have straps that are good for 4,000 pounds, all to lift a 750 pound boat. So get that done, get that fixed, and then put the boat in the water, I guess. One thing I have to do is get new cable. I got my cable from FACA Fasteners last year, and it was supposed to be stainless. It's not stainless. So I'll talk to FACA and see. Never one, if they carry stainless, and number two, if they will just give me the same amount of cable that I got that was supposed to be stainless. I think they'll be fine with that.
Held me in the water and told me to move them back and forth. I was so scared I held on to Murray with one arm and only moved